We often hear the term payload. What is a payload in cybersecurity? In this video, we will try to understand that. In computer networking, when some data is transmitted from source to destination, the transmitted data contains a header and a payload. The payload is the actual data that is transmitted and it is encapsulated in some frame format. In cybersecurity, a payload is the part of data that causes actual harm to a victim. For example, a malicious payload may contain malware such as a computer worm or virus, and it can steal sensitive data of users or corrupt files and hard drives. In a cyber attack, attackers first find a way to deliver the payload to a victim's computer. For example, the attackers may send a phishing email to a victim with a malicious link or attachment. When the victim clicks on the link or opens the attachment, the payload may get downloaded to the victim's computer and get executed. Now, the payload can cause actual harm to the victim. So, what can a malicious payload do? A malicious payload can steal sensitive data from a victim, spy on the victim, corrupt important files and hard drives, run background processes, display malicious advertisements to the victim, or even download new malicious files to the victim's computer. So, how to protect oneself from malicious payloads? There are many ways to protect oneself from malicious payloads. Be aware of phishing emails. Do not click on any link or attachment to an email if you are not sure about the authenticity of the sender. Use anti-malware programs from trusted sources. And always scan a downloaded file before opening it. A malicious payload often gets executed when opening a malicious file. Configure a proper firewall on your system as a preventive measure. And last but not least, keep your operating system, browser, and other commonly used software updated with recent patches. A malicious payload often exploits security vulnerabilities present within a system to infect the system, and updating software with recent security patches reduces security vulnerabilities present within the software. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the Security Buddy. The Security Buddy also provides many cybersecurity courses. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.